Welcome back. Let's wrap up today's lesson. So what did we do? We discussed volume and surface area. But before we did that, we looked at the different 3D shapes. Remember, in mathematical literacy, we mostly work with the cylinder and the rectangular prism. After we looked at the different 3D shapes, we went into volume. Again, the volume of the rectangular prism and the cylinder, and then we looked at the surface area. Remember, volume is cubic units and surface area is units squared, square units. So the new words that we learned today was the capacity, the measured amount that a container can hold. For example, my water bottle can hold 500 milliliters of water. Volume, the amount of space a substance or object occupies. Example, my lunchbox occupies 0.02 cubic meters of my desk. It takes up space. And then the surface area, the total area of the outside surfaces of a 3D shape. Example, to determine the amount of material needed to cover a suitcase for protection, we'll need the surface area of the suitcase. Let's look at the common errors. First, mixing units. Remember, do not mix units. Convert all units per question to one specific unit before you start calculating. Another error, substituting the diameter in a volume of a cylinder in place of the radius. Please remember to read properly and substitute what is given. And always convert the diameter to the radius. Another one, choosing the incorrect formula. Remember, all formulas will be given, but you need to choose the correct one. And then I'll leave you with a challenge. A wooden block with the dimensions of 1 meter by 1 meter by another meter is shown alongside. The block is drilled in the middle, creating an open space in the form of a semi-cylinder with a diameter of 0.5 meters. So here's the block, and then they drilled a semicircle, which is half a circle, and that part, the diameter, is 0.5 meters. Now, what's the question? What is the volume of the wood of the block? So you need to calculate the brown part of the block, the volume. How much wood will they need to build the block, in other words? And that brings us at the end of today's lesson. Hope to see you again sometime soon. Goodbye.